Alright, I'm going to show you all the different ways to take screenshots on your Windows computer. One way would be to use the regional snip tool, which you can bring up by holding down the Windows key, Shift, and S. S like snip. You'll see a menu like this open up on top. One of these is for video, one of them is for screenshots. Once you select the snip tool for screenshots, you can choose your snipping area next to it, whether that's window, full screen, or freeform, whatever. I'll go with full screen. My screen will flash, it'll take a screenshot, and it goes automatically onto your clipboard. So I can go to email, Slack, Word doc, whatever, and just do Ctrl+V to paste that screenshot in. Another way to do this would be to use the Print Screen button. Locate the Print Screen button, different computers will have it in different places, and a lot of times you'll see the name abbreviated on the button. So if you see something that says PRTSCN, that's the one. Anyways, you can hold down the Windows key and Print Screen at the same time. Or, sometimes, depending on the computer, you might need to hold down FN, Windows, and Print Screen all together. You'll see an instant flash on your computer, and this will place a full-screen PNG file into your File Explorer. You'll find it under Pictures and Screenshots. I kinda prefer having an actual file that I can handle, so this is nice when you don't feel like dealing with the clipboard and pasting the screenshot into different places. Also, you'll see, if you have a dual screen setup like I do, using the Print Screen button captures both displays. You see my top display here, that's what you guys see in the YouTube video, and on the bottom I have my screen recording tool and everything else that's on my secondary display. Different screen sizes too, but it's all baked into one screenshot. You can also just press the Print Screen button alone, and it brings up the snipping tool we showed earlier. Also, if you open up the Start menu and search for Snipping Tool, you'll see the tool like this, and we can launch it from here. What makes this unique is that you could choose Text Extractor, for example, and this can extract text a picture, image, website, or really just about anything that's on your screen. Even a video. I can quickly demonstrate. Let's say I have a web page open. I can use this text extractor tool, click and drag to essentially take a screenshot, and it'll be able to extract the text, which I can then copy right from that screenshot. The snipping tool also offers delayed snipping, so if you want to set a little delay before your screenshot, that can be done here. And of course, you can do screen recording with it as well. So not just screenshots, but also capturing your screen in video format. Those are the main ways to take screenshots on your Windows 11 computer. Click that like button down there if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.